Hey everybody, BigRigSteve here. Alright, so today we're going to talk about this dual drive motor 4x4 off-road. Heavy duty tire inflator, air compressor. You can tell it's got a shock absorber bottom with the nuts and bolts. You could mount it permanently if you like. If you don't, it's got a nice carrying handle. If you flip over, it's simple. All you have to do is on and off switch. You do have 8 feet worth of power cable, and you need to attach those to your battery. You have 25 feet of this air hose with the included dial. The end here is adaptable, changeable. It's what you use for US tires. Everything here fits in this nice case, zipper case, so you can just carry it in a trunk or whatever. Instruction book. You also have a couple extra fittings. If you got a raft you need to inflate in a hurry, this will do it. 540 watts per motor, and you've got 2 of them. This thing will move up to 11.65 cubic feet a minute. That's quite a bit. So let's go ahead and connect this up to the battery. All right. Now we already lowered the pressure by hand on this tire down to 12. So that way you can watch it lift up, snap it on there. You see, we're down to 12, but you're not going to be able to tell that quick. Turn the button on in the back. Nothing like sticking your knee on a twig. All right, let's see where we are. .3. Let's do some more. .31, we're getting there. Let's check it now. 38.5. What should it be? 50? 40? 35? Okay, well, just close enough then. But now, even though it does have the gauge on it, it was reading 50 the whole time. You could use this as a little gauge if you want. Always wise to carry something extra so that you can double check. But handy little thing on the back of this, if you put too much air in, just hit that and it'll let it out. 25 feet worth. Now remember, if you have your motor running, engine running, that's going to make this go a lot faster. The cycle on this, it'll run for 15 minutes and then it'll shut down for 3 to 5 so it doesn't overheat. If it does overheat, it will shut itself down. Dual motors. On the 35, you know, the smaller car tires, it'll take you under a minute to go from 0 to 35 psi. Truck tires or 4x4 tires, it'll, you know, take you about 3 or 4 minutes. But the thing is, this is gonna, you know, this is meant for heavy duty stuff. 4x4s, the Jeeps with those humongous tires. But you can use it on the little one. You just want to make sure you pay close attention to how much air you're actually putting in. Everything fits in this nice little case, 2-year warranty. Basically fills your tires up twice as fast as any standard air inflator. It doesn't have to be just for tires. It could also be for your big camping rafts or your paddle boats or paddle boards, whatever. All sorts of good stuff. All right, BigRigSteve out. Hope you check them out. They did mail this to us to try out. I like it. By the way, this is a quick self-disconnect. Everything fits in a nice case, and you're good to go. 2-year warranty on it. All right, BigRigSteve out. Take care.